Hi class, we'll continue the class of previous topic, that is sets. In previous class we have discussed what is set, definition of set and examples of set and some rules to write set. Now set can be represented in two forms. We can write in set in two forms. That is one is roster form, other is set builder form. In two ways we can represent the set. One form is roster form, another form is what? Set builder form. This roster form we can even also call as list form. Why we'll call this as list form, we'll discuss. And this we can even call it as what? A rule or syntax form. Syntax means some general rule, some defined rule, predefined rule, right? So set can be represented in two forms: roster form, set builder form. Roster form can also name as the list form, and set builder form can also call as rule or syntax form, right? So what is this roster form? We'll see. See, I already told roster form can also be called as what? List form. Why it is called list form will be known in this class. See, if I write an example, write a set in roster form and the set is shapes of quadrilaterals. What I written? Write a set in roster form. What is that? Shapes of quadrilaterals. So set means definitely it need to be taken as capital letter. I have taken flower bracket because elements of a set should be written in what? Flower brackets. Flower brackets. List means it should be in what? List form. List of students means what you will write? All the names you will write. No, similarly, shapes of quadrilaters is a set. So what is the shapes of quadrilateral? Square, comma, rectangle, comma, next kite, comma, rhombus, comma, trapezium, and remaining, right? So this is a set, and this form is called what? Roster form, because it elements are written in form of list. That is the reason it is called what? A roster form. One more example. Write a set of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural numbers. So set B, natural numbers. So I'll write 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, no? First 5 natural numbers. See, I have not written in the order. Why? Because in set, order can be ignored. There will not be any order. We can even miss the order also. If I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is also correct, and 2, 3, 1, 4, 5 is also correct. Just we have to see all those elements are there or not. Yes, first 5 natural numbers are there. Here also there, here also there. Order can be ignored, right? Are you clear? So we have some properties of roster form also, some rules of roster form. In roster form, order of elements ignored. Properties of roster form. First one is order of elements ignored. That means what? There is no compulsory to write in order. See, this is the example. Here I written 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, correct? or 1 2 3 4 5, correct. All these elements are there or not, and those are separated with commas, and those are written in flower brackets, and it is indicated with a capital letter or not, we have to see, right? So next, there will be no repeated elements. Example, I am writing here example. Write a set of letters in the word, from the word principal. I am writing with the letter C, capital C. Letters of the word principal. How many letters are there? P is one letter, comma. R is one letter, comma. I is one letter. I is repeated 2 times. We have to write only once. I, N, C, P already repeated. A, L. P, R, I, N, C, A, L are the letters of the word principal. Here it is written in 2 voice, means P is repeated. Then also we need to write only once, so that is the reason. No repeated elements. See, no repeated elements. Order is ignored and repetition of elements are not allowed in the roster form. These are the properties of roster form. If you write any set in the form of roster, we have to follow this. What is that? Order can be ignored. We can write in any order, no problem. And repetition of elements are not allowed. See, P is repeated 2 times. I am written only 1 time. R written only 1. I is repeated 2 times. I written only 1 time. Repetition of elements are not allowed, and order can be ignored in roster form. Are you clear? Right. We'll have an overview of today's class. That is what we have discussed about set. Set is what? Collection of well-defined distinct object. It should have some common property among the elements, and the element should be distinct, means what? Different. And we have some rules to write a set, that they are, first rule is what? Elements are separated with what? Comma. Each and every element in a set will be separated with what? Comma. Objects are considered as elements. These are what? Objects, and they are considered as what? Elements. Next, elements are written in curly brackets. Elements are written in curly brackets. These are the curly brackets or flower brackets. All the elements should write in what? Curly brackets. And fourth property is what? Fourth rule is what? Set is represented with what? Capital letters. Capital A, B, capital B. Right? So this is a set. This set can be represented in what? 2 forms. That is what? Roster form, set builder form. Roster form. Roster form can also call as list form. Why? Because the elements in the roster form are listed. So that is the reason the name came what? List form. And we have some rules for roster form, that is, order of elements are ignored. We can ignore the order of elements in the roster form, and elements are not repeated. Elements of the roster form should not repeat. Example, set of first 5 natural numbers. So I written what? 2 3 5 1 4. All 5 are there or not? Yes, all 5 there, but order is different, because I already told order of the elements are ignored. And next example, letters of the word Santosh. So how many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. But I have written only 6. Why? Remaining 2 are repeated. Repeated elements should be ignored. Clear? Thank you. And your homework is page number 30. Do this bit is that you complete your FN. Thank you.